Delegate of Lithuania, the floor is yours.
Honorable chairs, esteemed delegates, we do not need just resolutions, we need solutions. We do not need an evolution of ideas leading us to a sustainable future, but no, we need a revolution of ideas. We, Lithuania, would like to emphasize that countries like us, that formerly were associated with the planned economy of the Soviet Union, are the ones that should be mandated to lead revolutionary changes needed, owing to our society's experience of revolutionary change in the recent history, because from Soviet shackles we broke free, revolutionary spirits, that's the key. From history we learn how to go the whole way, experience of change is in our DNA. Where is Lithuania? Some of you may say, soon you'll know because we'll pave the way, let us take the lead, we embrace the fight, let Lithuania's rhythm bring us alive. Thank you.